Good morning, good morning, good morning. Was a little raspy. It's early. Just woke up 20 minutes ago. Unprofessional of me. I get it. Let's just get to it. So the first news we're getting that's important, it's about 30 some blood games. Um, that's just going to be positive. We'll see about that. And then that should give some direction to the market. What we're gonna do. So let's go to the continue. Price is consolidating. So we'll see what price ends up doing before we look for entries. But for now, I'll put the recording on pause, let time go by, and we'll get better. So let's go, let's go, let's go. Uh, I have an idea what I want to talk about right now. And say, continuation from last night's video. But instead of psychology and risk, I'm gonna talk about price. So as you can see right now, price is stuck between a range of here and right here. And if you look, we're in the 1 hour time frame. So what does that mean? It takes longer for price to reach any level of over here, the higher time frame. So when you go to the lower time frame, know that it's ranging between this area, the top and the bottom. When you zoom out within the 15 minute, you can see price has been stuck since last Monday. I mean, since Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday has been around the same price range. So what does this mean? It means there's no clear indication where price wants to go just yet. And you could get caught up taking a trade that could go either way based on taking interest in the middle of this. But that's where market structure comes into play. And you wait for your confluences so you can enter. The price is stuck in a range. You also need to let price develop. You can't just open up your charts, look at what price is doing, and expect what you're going. Expect to enter the right move right away. Give yourself patience. Understand that you need to read on what's actually happening first.
All right. So what I was saying earlier was you could force trades, but is that what you really want? Like for some of you, you see this demand and it's holding, so you're going to get in. But why? Price is making lower lows, and yet when we go to higher time frames, it looks like it's stick in the zone, so it could probably also still push up. But when you have mixed confluences and don't really understand where price wants to go, and you don't really have a good probability of approach, you're just gambling. What makes you wanna take a trade right now? There's barely any volume. Understand that. You still gotta know where price wants to go. I don't know where price wants to go yet. There's nothing that showcases me where it wants to go. In the 1 minute, it made new higher highs, but after that, it just created lower lows. So don't force trades. You know what I'm saying? Don't force them. I'm gonna give it like another some time, and we'll continue going on from there.
Okay. So
News came out and it came out positive, negative actually. Even though it's green, it was good, but it didn't really do nothing to the markets. Understand that we're talking about unemployment claims, and boom, it dropped. So volume is picking up now. Okay, that's a massive drop. Now we're gonna wait for a pullback, gaps, we enter. But bro, I start recording again and look at the drop, crazy drop. I like this little thumb ChatGPT created for me right now. Check this out. It can't really see. You just gonna see me make my thumbnail right now. Just give me a second. Hmm, okay, now let's focus on what matters. So the wick, it showed the price where it wants to go. We're on the 5 minute. Now we wait. So I need to develop me talking really early. It's early on. I haven't been talking. I apologize for that. I don't even know how long today's video is going to go on. Hopefully it's a little shorter than usual. We'll see, but we'll see, we'll see, we'll see. So I was just looking, and it seems as everything is negative right now. You know, I just added EU for the first time to my charts. We'll see how that goes. Nasty closure. To me, it seems like it's shorts for the day, but I'm still indecisive. This looks unclear to me, even though structure is showing lower lows. However, that wick is just extremely volatile. It's clearly just mean it filled in this gap and now it's going up. This is the problem when price is stuck in consolidation. You're not too um you're unsure of where price wants to go. That's why it's important just to not afraid and just be patient with yourself. I would be bullish if it breaks these highs. And for this, it's something like that, or something like this. There are a couple of scenarios where I could see myself be bullish, and then there's also a couple ways for it to be bearish. So first, this is a big, 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 big key. Plus this. However, you need your confluences to set up, right? Now I'm gonna put it pause again, and I'm gonna wait to see what price does. I just don't want to bore you guys too much with unnecessary video link. I saw something right now, or I saw something right now as I was doom scrolling, and it inspired me to talk about this because it fits with this narrative right now and from last night's video, which less is more. Understand that it's quality over quantity, especially as a trader when you got your reps and reps and reps and reps. Sometimes the dirty trades win. That's just part of it. But you don't always want to take those unpretty setups. You want to take your A plus setups. You know what I'm saying? Your dimey setups. So when I scroll a little bit and I look at price, it got yesterday's lower lows, and price is just showing lower lows, lower lows, and lower lows. It's failed to break structure for the upside just yet, even though on the higher time frame, price is consolidating range to range. So you have to keep that in mind when you're looking at trees. This is my own video, just watching it. I'm deep, but price is moving right now and it's consolidating a little bit, but it's going down. You go to the 15-minute and it looks the same. You know what I'm saying? It looks like um the market showed its hand. So we're getting in this. Uh, uh 200. Price is stuck. I need to keep that in mind right before I press entry. I don't even think price could reach that far though. I'm gonna continue watching my video. Bro, I give out good information. I just need to learn how to talk better. You heard? All right, I'm entering this trade. That was better in 2016. It was better with that. Hey, what the fuck? What the fuck, man, bro? What about the used to come? It's the one that really stuff to yourself. But get yourself like Corrini. It's good that experiences, the memory, and revisit here and there. But bro, let's be honest. Most of those experiences are. It, the crazy thing about people is that the time, majority of the time, people don't give a fuck about you. I said that it's true. You're a small little circle for about you. Leave that rhythm. To experience the fight to get trained or negative impacts on people to really understand how people are. Some dude is probably having their home bug bigger. Thank God I never experienced that. Oh my God. Thing is, some of you experience that and let that get back. Some of you let small power will be a bigger problem. Gets frozen. Oh, I'm recording. Hey, so I'm recording, listening to my own video, bro. This is so unprofessional of me. Okay, let's get started on why I entered this trade. Price was consolidating. There was a big wick right here, which should show where price wants to go. It's like the house showing its hand. Um, and then when you go to the left side, you see price is making lower lows, and since price is stuck in a range, you have to look at things as is and showcase why is price gonna do what it wants to do. So in this case, in my back of my mind, I thought it was bullish, but I was waiting for a break of structure. However, it never came. It was just lower lows after lower lows and lower lows. So now I took the open of this candle, broke, and we're in. However, price is getting stuck right here. And price is just consolidating, bro. I'm gonna get out of this trade pretty soon. I should be getting holding for at least one alone. But I don't really want to over risk because prizes on a range. I don't really like rangy trade as much. Prizes really stuck in a fucking range. Oh my goodness. This is nasty, dude. It might just wake me out, bro. That's crazy, dog. And you guys are gonna see that in lifetime. Fucking nasty ass closure. I'm literally upset that I entered this trade. It showed this direction, and now I'm just holding. Because at the end of the day, you gotta take your rep. I'll be more upset if I see this play out and I didn't even enter. So you gotta get your rep in. Now I want to continue listening to this, so I'm gonna play it and just listen, talk, and rant. Bro, I could play some little baby right now. But hey, the live goes on. That song is in my head right now, bro. Cool, bro. Working on getting better. That's nice. And sometimes you might have that self-talk of repetitiveness, and it will get to you. Then a new voice will pop up. And you think it's depression because you're not getting the results you want, and there's friction. And you're grinding. However, also, I got a meeting at 9. Oh, I gotta get ready for that. That's in less than an hour. It's already 7:20. I also gotta record and save the file. This is interesting. I might have to end the call and just showcase my result at the end on the screenshot as my thumbnail or something. Find a way to get to the baby. You have to find a way just to make it happen. And the best thing about it is that why stress about it when you can really just find peace. You know that you're looking for solutions.
You're a problem solver. You really want to problem solve with chaos around. You can and you will, which is awesome. That's part of just being it. But you can't do that repetitively if you don't build the right habit to do so. It's a new day already. In less than 60 seconds. I need to find ways to improve these coming 24 hours in my previous 24, in my previous 48. And it's ways that you won't even expect. It's not just about getting better at a certain task. Understand that if you want to be good at one thing, one core pillar, and that foundation wants to get built, that means that the other pillars need to be strong enough too. It means that habits you have on one side must be that equally consistent, disciplined, and persistent. The other things you're doing. If one pillar is heavier than the other, it's always going to come really down. But that's again, it's a snowball effect. It's easier, from my perspective, to grow a snowball than it is to dissolve a snowball, especially when you're in an environment where the snowball is growing. Hear me out. You're around negative all the time. What do you think that's gonna happen to you? You're around.
I'm gonna have to pause it for a bit. I don't want the video to get too long because then I might be able to save it and I might be able to join my meeting in time. So I need to do one or the other. So I'm gonna do both.
That's up to you.
Okay, I'm recording. I'm gonna go out of this right now.
So
Boom. Bro, I need to get ready for my meetings. That's why I'm like this, dog. I apologize. I can't really take full trades like the way I want. But hey, bro, I got one. Let's go.
it's like, God damn.
Look at this.
I could see confidence and how comfy you.
Let's go, bro. Good trades.
You're really comfortable. Just after a while,
If I can't lose. Good trades, bro. I got over a 101. Yeah, I gotta get ready for this other meeting. Yeah, I got 101 and I still 300. Hey, let's keep moving. Momentum is hot. Let's get hot. Doesn't matter what result you get today because you still need to show up and exit. Like this, I got a little over 101. I just continue moving. This is what it is. All right, let's get better. Hey, it doesn't matter what I get. First of all, it's a platform challenge. I haven't even got funded yet. Two, you need to get the results for yourself too. All right? All right, love you. Let's get better.